Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can turn off the subtitles on Netflix. So I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problem or any queries regarding the process or within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away and just follow me with the process. And now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Netflix app, or you need to go to your Netflix website and then log in with your account. Once you do it, just choose the profile that you use to watch the Netflix. And once you do that as well, you'll be over here in this particular platform like this. So let me just choose one video, or let's say one series or anything. So I'm just gonna go with, let's say, this one.
In front of you, you have a complaint.
So let's say I'm watching this video. So I'm over here.
It's like no one you've ever met.
To let's say remove the subtitle, what you need to do is over here you'll be having options of the subtitles. So what by default it will be like this, the choose one, and to turn it off you can choose this option, which is the off one, and then your subtitle will be off. So that's pretty much, guys.
And I've actually passed the bar.
This video is helpful.
I'd say you're full of crap.
Thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and also hit the bell icon so never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away. And I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.